part of something special. We're a part of something special. We're a part of something special. It's a crack in time, a wrinkle falling from the nest, young eagle. I will pull my feathers out, stay humble, stay humble. Stay humble. Oh, stay humble. Stay humble. Oh, Uncle Mona taught us like an elder. Took us under older brother. He said, this is powerful country. This is powerful country. And we felt like we were returning to our land rebels and the shepherds of the sea. The takers are taking what the leavers will leave. So greet me, the Black Prince of Kedar. Such a loud voice for a tiny creature. Well, teach me to let go of all of my pain. I do forgive, I don't forget these things. I do forgive, I don't forget these things. Well, we burn the blue gum for a safe passageway. Drink of the earth, smoke of the dirt. And my war paint was red, ochre clay, ochre hay. My war paint was red, ochre clay, ochre hay. Red ochre clay. Well, our prayers ignite and cast out into the Shire. And the song of our struggle came straight from the fire. It goes, holy, holy grandmother, we sing, wash us clean of our pain and suffering. Give us strength for our new beginnings. In my deepest thanks I'll sing. It'll wash away, it will wash away. Lift 'em up, it'll wash away. It will wash away, lift 'em up. It'll wash away, it will wash away. Lift 'em up, it'll wash away. It will wash away, lift 'em up. Ooh, oh, oh, lift 'em up. Ooh, oh, oh, lift 'em up, yeah. Ooh, oh, lift 'em up. Ooh, oh, lift 'em up. Oh, yeah. In my dreams you were an Aboriginal man. Gave me your hat and your past in one hand. You said, you come to be with the rainbow serpent. Red hands, red land, red worship. Red hands, red land, red worship. Just then I heard Bush Mama crying in the chasms for a stolen generation and the children that haven't come home, come home, stay home. Come home, stay home. My bullets are my words and my words are my weapons. Chain me to the pipeline for our rivers and mountains. We scream, today's a good day for my ego to die. Today's a good day for my ego to die. Spirit live on in my heart, in my body, my mind. In my body, my mind. Then Sister Crow came with a murder that day. So we tattooed the bird nation onto our faces. She said, we sing to let go of all of our pain. We dance the story to remember when things changed. Remember when things changed. Remember when things changed. Holy, holy grandmother, we sing, wash us clean of our pain and suffering. Give us strength for our new beginnings. the mighty best thanks I'll sing. It'll wash away, it will wash away, lift 'em up. It'll wash away, it will wash away, lift 'em up. It'll wash away, it will wash away, lift 'em up. It'll wash away, it will wash away, lift 'em up. Ooh, oh, lift 'em up, yeah. Ooh, oh, lift 'em up. Ooh, oh, lift 'em up. Oh, lift 'em up. Oh, lift 'em up. We danced to ghost dancing to separate countries, to this old song, so familiar to memory. The road will teach you how to love and let go. It can be lonely, but it's the only thing that we've ever known. It can be lonely, but it's the only thing that we've ever known. Our mamas told us, let go of jealousy, and for vagabonds and vagrants that won't come so easy. We've come from nothing, nothing. We have come from nothing, nothing. So teach me to love you in a different way. Same cuts, same guts, same crazy. Same cuts, same guts, same crazy. I traveled halfway across the country and back, only to find love undefined. And I'm okay with that, 'cause I'm gonna be a guardian. Be a man among men, be a guardian. Be a man among men, or be a woman among women. Be a guardian, be my friend. Same crazy, be my friend. Same crazy, be my friend. Same crazy, we're a part of something special. We're a part of something special. We're a part of something special. It's a crack in time, a wrinkle falling from the nest, young eagle. I will pull my feathers out, stay humble, stay humble. Oh, oh, stay humble. Ooh, oh, stay humble. Oh, oh, stay humble. Ooh, ooh. We're a part of something special. We're a part of something special. We're a part of something special. It's a crack in time, a wrinkle